This week we're going to highlight trends in December corn futures as it relates to the crop insurance period, which is still over 2 months away. We're also going to highlight a lagging pace of U.S. corn export sales and shipments, and also take a look at weather trends in Argentina. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We're in the final days here of 2022, and this market remains historically volatile. This week we're going to start out looking at trends in December corn futures as it relates to the crop insurance period coming up here in February. Let's take a look at that. We looked at this chart all throughout the crop year, and here's where we are today in late December. December 23 futures are trading near $5.95 a bushel. Now that's $1.65 above the 5-year average for this time of year. And here's the key point that we want to highlight. And there's still 2+ months before the crop insurance period is set. Strongly encourage you to defend your balance sheet. And here's why. Let's take a look at an example. 10 years ago, December 2013 corn futures in December of 2012 were trading around that $6.25 to $6.50 level, actually a little above $6 in late December. But notice what happened. The market trended sideways to lower into February, where the crop insurance base price was set at $5.65 a bushel. The market continued to trade sideways all the way into spring and into pollination, and eventually plummeted into harvest all the way down to $4.39. Key point, this is not a price prediction. We're not saying that December 23 will be a repeat of December 13. What we are saying, though, is it is a possibility. And the key thing is balance sheet defense. Right now, it's not too early to think about 2023, defending your balance sheet, working closely with your trusted risk management advisor on your new crop 23 corn production. Let's shift gears now and focus on export trends. Let's take a look at year-to-date export sales of corn. Now we've highlighted this and we'll continue to highlight it. It's been a very sluggish pace of corn export sales. It's one of the lowest paces in the last 20 years. And here's the key message that we're going to highlight. The pace of sales and shipments remains well below the level needed to reach the USDA's forecast of 2.075 billion bushels. In fact, at ATI, we're 150 million bushels below that. So really want to emphasize that this corn export market is a fierce competitive market at the moment. Let's now focus on South America, specifically looking at where corn is produced in Argentina. Now, 4 key provinces, Argentina corn here, Cordoba, Buenos Aires, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. About 80-85% of the corn is produced in those provinces. Now, this corn is reproducing and pollinating as we speak. Let's take a look at the short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Now, we're starting out here looking at a bit of a change in pattern. We are in a weather market here as we get set for a deep freeze, if you will, with some weather here in the Midwest. But in South America, a weather market means reproducing crops, pollinating corn. We're looking at some moisture moving in here Friday through Sunday of this week. Looking at mainly a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch totals. And as we wrap up the weather here over the next 2 weeks, you can see it's not quite as dry as we looked at the last couple weeks, more slightly dried and near normal across those areas. So a bit of a weather market developing here, and will continue to develop over the next few weeks. A reminder that the CME trading will not take place on the December 26th or January 2nd, so there'll be 3 full days where no trading will take place. Strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to have your positions in place prior to this weather market. Things could move very quickly the next several weeks. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. This is our final video for 2022. Want to wish you and your family a safe and meaningful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.